Welcome to our guide on navigating the world of AI tools. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the constant influx of new AI applications, you're not alone. Every week, it seems like there's a new tool promising to revolutionize your work life. But here's the truth: you don't need to try them all. Instead, focus on finding a few key tools that can genuinely make a difference in your daily routine. In this video, we'll guide you through selecting your first AI assistant, understanding what makes an AI tool useful, and how to integrate it smoothly into your workflow. So let's simplify the process and help you get started with confidence. Before diving into AI tools, it's crucial to define what makes one useful. A truly valuable AI tool should either save you time, reduce stress, or help you produce superior work without added complexity. Rather than getting swayed by flashy features, focus on tools that integrate seamlessly into your existing workflow. Ask yourself, does this tool assist with tasks I do regularly? Can it provide value within minutes of setup? If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. Start with tools that enhance current tasks instead of those that promise future revolutions. Why does it feel like the choices are endless? The rapid pace of AI tool development can be overwhelming. Hundreds of new tools launch monthly, often with similar functionalities but different branding. This can create a sense of urgency to keep up, but the key is to focus on what truly matters to your workflow. Remember, even AI specialists don't use every tool available. They focus on a core set of tools that solve real problems. Ask yourself if a new tool can replace or improve something in your current workflow. If not, it's okay to skip it. Choosing your first AI assistant can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Consider starting with a general-purpose assistant like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Each of these has unique strengths, but the best choice depends on your existing work environment. For example, if you're heavily invested in Google Workspace, Gemini might be ideal. Set a simple goal. Use your chosen assistant for a real task each day for a week. This practice helps build confidence and focuses on deriving practical value from the tool. Now that you've selected your AI assistant, you might wonder what to do next. The answer is simple. Integrate AI into tasks you're already doing. Use your assistant to draft emails, summarize documents, or plan projects. For example, let the AI rewrite an email for clarity or create a summary of a document. This approach allows you to see immediate value without the pressure of inventing new tasks. Start small and gradually expand your usage as you become more comfortable. After a few weeks, you may identify specific areas where an additional AI tool could help. This is the right time to consider expanding your AI toolkit. Whether it's handling meetings, improving design work, or managing data, look for tools that address recurring pain points. The goal isn't to amass a vast collection of tools, but to enhance your current workflow. Remember, a new tool should save you meaningful time or significantly improve task quality. If not, it's not worth adding yet. Lastly, be aware of the risks associated with AI tools. Privacy, data security, and accuracy are key considerations. Avoid sharing sensitive information with unapproved tools and always fact-check important outputs. Be mindful of biases in AI-generated content, especially in communications or policy-related materials. Use AI as a supportive tool, not as a replacement for human judgment in high-stakes decisions. Implement these safeguards to ensure you're using AI effectively and responsibly.